that sudden hic? It's your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs, contracting involuntarily. This pulls air in, snapping your vocal cords shut, creating that distinct sound. Why do they often strike after a fiery meal? Capsaicin in chili peppers irritates nerve endings in your esophagus and stomach. This irritation sends signals to your brain. These signals travel along the vagus nerve, connecting your brain to your digestive system and diaphragm. Overstimulation of this nerve can trigger that sudden diaphragm spasm, leading to hiccups. So, next time you're battling post-spicy hiccups, it's just your body reacting to the heat. A glass of water or holding your breath might help calm things down.